Good morning, friends. Today's Thursday. I'm so excited that we get to do the morning message again. I missed not doing it yesterday. So let's go ahead and put our finger on G, and then we'll read that word. Good morning. Today is Thrilling Thursday. You guys always remember why I love Thrilling Thursday. Why do I love Thrilling Thursday? If you said because there is a digraph, you are right. What does that digraph say? That digraph says, remember your tongue goes out and your teeth touch your tongue. Like thumb. T-H, thumb. So I love the T and the H because it is a digraph. Let's write another digraph up here. Let's write the digraph S-H. Now that is another digraph. What does the digraph S-H say? Shh. If you said shh, you are right. The SH digraph says shh, like you're trying to make someone to be quiet. Shh. And your lips go together. I remember when we were learning it in class, Lucas called it the kissy lips. So you might think about that when you're making your lip placement as well. Let's write another digraph up here. We have the CH digraph. What does CH digraph say? Ch, ch, ch. Like chin. CH, chin. Ch, ch. More like a ch, ch, ch. Like a train getting ready to go. So everyone say ch, ch, ch. So we have TH says th. SH says sh. CH says ch. And then we have the digraph WH. And WH says wah, wah. So let's go through all of our digraphs now. TH, SH, sh, CH, ch, WH, wah. One more time. TH, SH, sh, CH, ch, WH, wah. And I want to talk about one more digraph. And I'll put it right here, and it's the digraph CK. But remember, CK is special. It has special rules. But what does that digraph say? It says k. You're right. It does say k. But what is special about CK digraph? If you said that it always goes at the end of a word, you are correct. What else makes the CK digraph special? It has to have a right here, it has to have a short vowel. Right? It has to have a short vowel. So it has to be short vowel, then the k sound. You know it's going to be a CK. So short vowel, then the k sound is a CK. So I think it's CK sock. Sorry, friends. CK sock. Okay, good job with the digraphs today. We know though, one more time. Let's do it one more time because it can't hurt us. TH says th. SH says sh. CH says ch. WH says wh. And then we have the CK digraph that's special and it says k. Goes at the end of the word and has to have a short vowel. Okay, let's come down here. We have pictures and we have to match the words. We have a crown, we have a skunk, and we have a frame. Go ahead and draw those lines. I'll give you a few seconds. So we're going to go ahead and draw lines to the pictures. We have a crown, and I know that crown is going to go here. I'm going to know it goes here because I hear the k sound, ow. I hear an ow, which is the reading clue we see there. We know OW sometimes when it's together makes the sound ow, and then we have cur, ow, I was able to sound it out and look for reading clues. Because remember, the most important thing when we don't know what a word is we look for reading clues. We have a skunk. So I'm going to look at this word, skunk. Skunk. Oh, it's going to go here. So I hope you drew your line there. And I know it goes here because I hear the sk, unk. Okay. And then the frame, I know it's going to go to this one right here. And I love the word frame. I'm going to say it one more time. Frame. What reading clue do you see in frame? If you said that you heard a long A because that A is saying A, you're right. So that E is going to pinch that A. The A is going to say A. And then that E is going to hide frame. Good deal, friends. Now we have to read some sentences. I'm going to make you read a lot of the words. I am going to help you with a few of the words that might be tricky. So we'll look at this word here first. And I know if I have a big word that I don't know how to read, I can break it apart. So I can find a word. Oh, I see the word do. And then I see an N and a T. So if I break it apart and say do'n't, does that make sense? No. So you just kind of have to know that word, and that's the word don't. Then we know this word because it's a sight word. So we have don't get to. Then let's look at this word. So we have don't. We know this word and this word because they're sight words. Don't get to. Then I have the word, and I see a vowel. Then I see a consonant, and then I see an E. Ooh, when I have vowel, consonant, E, that tells me a lot of times that E is going to pinch that O and make that O have a long O sound. So I am going to try that and see if it can help me with the word. So close. Don't get too close. Close. Oh, that makes sense. Don't get too close to the, which word should go there? Don't get too close to the, you're right, skunk. Don't get too close to the skunk. Then I'm going to keep reading. Don't get too close to the skunk, or he will spray. Let's read that sentence again. That sentence had a lot of sight words in it, which is great. Don't get too close to the skunk, or he will spray. One more time. Put your finger on don't. Don't get too close to the skunk, or he will spray. Good job. Now, this is a sight word too. You guys like to call this one put. But is it the word put? No. What word is it? It's the word put. Put, you're right, the picture. And I see the word in and to. So I bet it's the word into. So put the picture into the, which word? Put the picture into the, you're right, it is frame. Good job. Now we'll come down here and we'll work on the math section. Remember, we've talked about how each of these sticks of blocks is 10. And if you don't believe me, you can definitely count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So there's 10 there. And we know 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So there's 10 there. So we know each of these kids have 10. So if they have 10 blocks, they would have one full 10 frame, right? He would have a 10 frame. And he would have a 10 frame. And they would both be all the way full. And then they have one extra one. So how would we figure that out? We know we have one full 10 frame. I guess I should make it full so you guys don't get confused. So that 10 frames full and that 10 frames full. So we have 2 full 10 frames and one extra one. It's saying how many 10s do I have? Now, I know 10, 20, so I know I have 20 there. But do I say I have 20 10s? No, because that'd be big. That'd be a lot. I know I have 1 10, 2 10s. So how many 10s do I have? 2. Make sure you write a 2 there. I have 1 10 and 2 10s. 2 10s. And how many extra ones do I have? 1. So I have 2 full 10 frames and 1 extra one. Now, I have to write it as an addition problem. Now, am I going to write 2 plus 1 equals, so what would 2 plus 1 equal? 2 plus 1 would equal 3. Now, do I only have 3 here? No. So that can't be right. So what number do I write here? You're right. That 2 10s tells me I have 2 10 frames. And if I have 2 10 frames, then I have 20. And then I have how many extra ones? 1. So now that I know that, I know I have 20 plus 1, and that makes me have 21. Give yourself a pat on the back. That morning message today was kind of long, and you guys did a great job. I am so proud of you. We'll do another morning message tomorrow, and we'll also get to do something exciting for Fun Friday, so make sure you tune into the videos. Have a nice afternoon. Bye-bye.